Hi, this is D. Rambabu. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Science and Humanities in University College of Engineering. I am going to explain the subject probability and statistics. If you have any doubt after watching my complete video, please comment under this video. Okay, student. In a bolt factory machines A, B, C manufacture 20%, 30%, 50% of the total of their output. 6%, 3%, 2% are defective. A bolt is drawn at random and found to be defective. What are the probabilities of defective items manufactured by machines A, B and C? Okay, here A produces 20% of the item of the total output. Similarly, B produces 30% of items, C produces 50% of items. But among the 20% of items produced by A, 6% of items are defective. That among 30% items produced by B, 3% are defective. Among 50 items, 2% of items are defective for the factory C. Okay. Now a bolt is drawn at random and found to be defective. Now we have to find out the probability for the defective item that must be manufactured by the factory capital A and that must be manufactured by capital B, that must be manufactured by C. That is, if D is an event of selecting uh, defective item, okay, we have to find out. First, we have chosen a defective item. Okay, actually we are selecting it, it is found to be defective item. We have to find out the probability for A given item D. Similarly, we have to find out the probability B given D. And similarly, we have to find out the probability C given D. We have to find out these probabilities. Okay. Now probability that the bolt was manufactured by the factory capital A is P of A. Okay, P of A is equal to 20%. 20% means 20 by 100. That is 1 by 5. Okay. Similarly, probability that the bolt was manufactured by the factory B is P of B is equal to 30% items means 30 by 100, that is 3 by 10. Similarly, probability that the bolt was manufactured by the factory C is P of C is equal to, given as 50% means 50 by 100 1 by 2. Okay, now let capital D be the event of getting defective bolt. Therefore, now probability of defective fault from capital A, okay, from capital A is 6%. 6% items among 20, okay, 6% among 20 items are defective. Total number of adjusted cases, 6%, 6 by 100, 6 by 100, okay, from A, defective items from A, 6%, 6 by 100, okay, that is 0.06. Similarly, probability of defective item given B, given B is equal to 3%, okay, 3%, given B, 3 by 100. Probability of defective items from the factory C, okay, 2%, 2 by 100, okay. We have P of A is equal to 1 by 5, probability of B is equal to 3 by 10, probability of C is equal to 1 by 2, probability of D given A is 0.06, probability of D given B is equal to 3 by 100, that is 0.03, and probability of defective item from C is 2 by 100, that is 0.02. Now we have to find out probability of A given D, that is we are selecting a bolt randomly. We have if it is defective item, we have to find out how many elements are there from in A among these defective items, and how many elements are there in B from these defective items, and how many elements are there in C from the total number of defective items. We have to find out P of A by D, P of A given D, probability of B given D, probability of C given D, okay. By Bayes theorem we can find out these values. By Bayes theorem we have probability of A given D is equal to probability of A, probability of D by A by probability of A, probability of D given A plus probability of B, probability of D given B plus probability of C, probability of D given C. We have, okay, already we have these values. P of A is equal to 1 by 5, 1 by 5 into probability of D given A 0.06, 0.06 divided by P of A 1 by 5 into P of defective items given A 0.06 plus P of B is 3 by 10 into probability of D given B is 0.03. 0.03. Similarly, probability of C is 1 by 2 into probability of D given C. Probability of D given C is 0.02. 0.02. Okay. On solving this, we get 12 by 31. Similarly, probability of B given D, that is, in the total number of defective items, how many number of defective items are there in B? The probability of the factory B, that is given defective items B by D. Okay. As per the Bayes theorem, we have the formula probability of B, probability of D by B by divided by numerator. Numerator is same for all. That is P of A, P of D by A plus probability of B, probability of D given B, probability of C, probability of D by C. Now, probability of B is 3 by 10. 3 by 10 into probability of D given B. Probability of D given B is 0.03. 0.03 divided by, okay, numerator is same, 1 by 5 into 0.06 plus 3 by 10 into 0.03 plus 1 by 2 into 0.02. Okay, all solving this value, we will get 9 by 31. Similarly, probability of C given D. What is the portion of C that having defective items? Or there are some defective items. Among those items, how many elements are there from C? By the Bayes theorem, once again we will find out it. 1 by 2 into 2 by 100. Okay, that is probability of C into probability of C by B. C by D by C. Probabilities of D by C. Probability of C is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into probability of defective items from C, 0.02 or 2 by 100. Okay, numerator is same, 1 by 5 into 0.06 plus 3 by 10, 0.03 plus 1 by 2 into 0.02. Okay, and solving this, we will get 10 by 31. 10 by 31. Okay, okay students, therefore probability of A by D is 12 by 31. A by D, probability of A by D is 12 by 31. Probability of B given D is 9 by 31. Similarly, probability of C given D is equal to 10 by 31. From this, you can say that among 31 items, if there are 31 items totally in the factory, okay, among those 31 defective items, 12 items are from A. There are 12 items by the manufactured by the factory A are defective. Okay. Similarly, among 31 items, 9 items are from B. Similarly, among 31 items, 10 items are from C. Okay. 12 plus 9, 21 plus 10, 31. Okay. Total probability is 1. Therefore, among 31 items, 12 are from A, 9 are manufactured by B, and 10 are manufactured by C. Okay. This is the probability of A given D, probability of B given D, probability of C given by D. Okay.